The 5 stages of consciousness, shaping your destiny from within. When we talk about destiny, we must ask ourselves, which part of destiny do we mean? Are we talking about the external world, the events, material success, and circumstances around us? Or are we referring to the inner world, our thoughts, emotions, and perception of life? The truth is simple. The outer world is merely a reflection of our inner state. Those who shape their destiny don't do it by controlling external events. They do it by mastering their inner energy, aligning with their heart and true purpose. But not everyone is ready to take this step at the same time. We are all at different levels of awareness, moving through different stages of personal evolution. Let's explore these 5 stages and see where you are on your journey. Stage 1. Living in conflict with ourselves. At this stage, we engage in activities we know bring us misery and stress. We go to jobs we hate. We surround ourselves with people who drain us. We make choices that go against our intuition. Yet, we convince ourselves that we have no choice. They believe life is something that happens to them, that they are victims of circumstance. They feel trapped, but lack the faith to step out of the cycle. This is where most people stay unless they decide to change. Stage 2. Seeking validation in the external world. At this stage, we break free from victimhood, but our focus is still external. We build our identity through status, material success, and social validation. We care deeply about how others see us. We work tirelessly, not necessarily to grow, but to prove ourselves. Every decision is influenced by how we will be perceived. We seek approval, attention, and recognition. But deep down, something feels missing, because external validation can never replace inner fulfillment. Stage 3. The search for peace. After years of pressure, exhaustion, and stress, a realization occurs. What we truly crave is peace. We long for vacations, solitude, or simply an escape from the noise of the world. At this stage, people turn to meditation, mindfulness, and relaxation. They understand that happiness does not come from achievements, but from being present. For some, this stage is the ultimate goal. But for those who listen deeper, they realize this is just the beginning. Stage 4. Discovering true purpose. Something shifts. Instead of asking, what will make me successful? We ask, what makes me feel alive? At this stage, we stop chasing and start creating. We follow activities that bring us joy, not because of the rewards, but because they are an expression of our soul. Here, fulfillment is no longer about status or wealth, but about alignment. Alignment with our heart. Alignment with our purpose. Stage 5. Living our mission with full faith. At the final stage, we dedicate ourselves completely to what we love, regardless of money, recognition, or external validation. This is the stage of self-realization, the stage of trust, where we no longer ask, will this work? We simply know we are on the right path. At this level, we do not seek success. Success seeks us because we are fully aligned with our purpose. Your inner versus outer destiny. So, which is more important? The external destiny, the achievements, the material world, or the inner destiny, the energy we cultivate within? The answer is clear. Our inner world shapes our outer reality. A person may have fame, money, and power, yet still feel empty inside. Another may have little yet radiate peace and joy. True wealth is not found in possessions. It is found in our energy, our frequency, our alignment. And the greatest truth is this: as we transform within, our external world transforms with us. Final thoughts. What stage are you in? Life is a journey through these stages. Each one prepares us for the next. We cannot skip ahead, but we can move forward with faith, trust, and action. So, ask yourself, what stage are you in? Are you stuck in conflict? Are you chasing validation? Are you searching for peace? Or are you ready to step into your true calling? Because the moment you align with your heart, your destiny begins to unfold. Your inner world shapes your outer reality. Move beyond survival. Step into purpose. The journey begins within.